What is a scriptable object? A scriptable object is a special type of data container in Unity. Unlike mono behaviors, it doesn't need to be attached to a game object. It exists as an asset that can store data independently, making your projects cleaner and more efficient. Why use scriptable object? Scriptable objects are ideal for managing shared data across multiple objects or scenes. They reduce memory usage, prevent duplication, and make your project easier to maintain. Think of them as reusable templates for data, like character stats, item attributes, or game settings. And how do we create one? It's simple. First, create a new C# script and give it any name you like. Here, we'll use my first scriptable object as an example. Next, remove any unnecessary methods and replace mono behavior with scriptable object. Then, add the Create Asset menu above your class. This will serve as a wrapper and allows you to specify a file name and menu name for easy asset creation in Unity. After that, define the data fields you want to store in your scriptable object. Once you're done, make sure to save the script so Unity can compile it and make the asset available in your project. Now, you can try creating a new instance of your scriptable object through the path you set in the project window. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first scriptable object, ready to store data according to the parameters you defined. But it doesn't stop there. You can also add fields to store prefabs, which is useful if you plan to spawn objects in your scene. Simply add a parameter of type GameObject to your scriptable object, and it will appear in the inspector, allowing you to assign any game object for later instantiation. And that's a quick overview of scriptable objects. Use them wisely, and your Unity projects will become cleaner, more modular, and easier to scale.